How to buy IDGN, the IDGN token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So after that, go and check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there, and keep following the updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token, go and now open their official website. I will just disconnect this wallet. Now what you need to do to be able to buy it from their website, this token is under the pre-sale. As you can see, a pre-sale is live. Now so that, click on connect wallet and now select the the network that you want. For example, if you select Sol, click on it and now connect your wallet. For this I will just use Phantom, and now after that, as you can see, this wallet is connected. Now close that and now select the payments. Select the payment that you want. For example, if you select the network, you will see all of the token under that network. If you select Binance Smart Chain, you will see all of these token under the Binance Smart Chain network. If you select Solana, click on Solana or USDT. For this, I will use USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy. Just type here how much you want to buy, and after that you will be able to see how much you receive. So because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't be able to see this buy option here, but for you can see here how much the buy button to be able to buy it. So just click on buy, and the pop-up of your wallet that you connected, it will shows up here, and now just approve and complete the buy process to be able to buy it. So this is how to buy the IDGN token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.